Kasi meron tayong mag-boom shower at saka meron tayong Zumba right after ng front run.
Ay, this is so exciting.
You know, Festival 2025 is just like all about balance. It's all about health, physical health. And of course, if we have physical health, we also nurtures our mental health.
Yes, ang mental health talaga yung pinaka-importante.
You know, malapit na, katatapos lang natin ang midterm exam. So we need to chill out.
Yes, chill muna. Break muna sa life. Pag may time. But then, kailangan din kasi natin talaga ng break.
Yes, kailangan natin mag-pray.
Kailangan na natin mag-break. Mag-break tayo through Festival 2025. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga interns pala natin na nag-command, of course, nandyan all throughout the province, especially nagpapabate yung mga interns dyan sa Outpost, Almaras, and happy birthday intern of Pi. Nagpapabate intern of Pi ng happy birthday.
And of course, for the information of everybody, we also have the talent tour. Nandyan po sa TechHawk. Okay, makikita na dyan sino yung leading, okay, to win
The overall
champion
champion.
for Festival 2025. Meron din doon sa ating guardhouse na area. Okay? For transparency.
Yes, sino kaya ang mag-uwi ng pinakamalaking trophy? Clinching the Grand Champion for Festival 2025. Of course, hindi na si Lady Kane. Finally, the results are out. Nandito na ang
Okay, so we're going to award the Miss Runway 2025. That's our first, the winner for the catwalk.
Okay, wait lang po. Of course, thank you so much, Sir Ronnie Spaniel, the GSO officer. Thank you so much, sir. And of course, to our physical education consultant, Dr. Gloria Amidanza. And to our ever-supportive tatay ng MIST, Dr. Ricardo A. Rubinan. Thank you so much, sirs and ma'ams. Sa lahat ng mga faculty and staff na nandito kayo po ngayon, maraming salamat po. At sa mga students po, we are all inviting you to come and taste the food festivities in Surian there. So it is officially open. So I hope you have time to visit Surian. It's really full of fun and it's very colorful. It's the food are all scrumptious. So I hope you visit Surian. Okay, so at this time, while waiting for the